Today I'm going to be working with a 25mm Marcel tong. So a Marcel tong is a non-spring-loaded clamped iron. So you move your hands up and down to create the tong to open, and it also twists in your hand as well. The benefit of having a non-spring-loaded clamp is to create softness with your waves, or you can create harsh creases or no creases at all. I'm going to start with the shell of my tong or my Marcel at the base, and then I'm going to just crease and tap in a wave. Then I'm going to come out and I'm going to flip it over, and I'm just going to repeat and do it on the same on the other side. Okay, just setting up for my second wave. I'm going to come in with my clamp at the front because my curl's going to roll backwards. So I'm just going to clamp down. I'm going to open and close my clamp to tap away. Then I'm going to put my fingers over and I'm going to rotate the barrel all the way up, unloop, and repeat. Throughout the Hot Tools range, we have a pulse heat technology. What that means is whatever heat you set to your iron, it gets pulsed constantly through the iron, so you have even consistent heat throughout your style from roots to ends.